Right, so I've just been handed this envelope from my wife. Now, when she says to me, you need to do a video and I'm going to give you an envelope, I'm slightly nervous. So let's open this together. Hopefully it's not divorce papers, because remember guys, half of nothing is nothing. So let's open this up. Jeez. What is in this? I've got a red envelope in here. You are joking me. You are joking me. F1 Experience Abu Dhabi 2025. We are thrilled to welcome you to the F1 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2025. We hope you will have an unforgettable weekend filled with exciting on-track action and unique activities that will take you inside the incredible world of F1. You have been selected for the F1 Hospitality Platinum Experience with Grid Walk. This is fake. This is fake. Oh my God, I've got a leather F1 Experience wallet. You are joking me. You are joking me. Oh my God, everyone. VIP Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Yas Marina, F1. I'm going, people. I'm going to the F1. When do we fly out?
Sunday.
Are we actually going?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
No.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
We're coming to Abu Dhabi, people. Let's go.